The air you breathe is carbon monoxide, and the life you lead's one-sided. Only a drive-by shooting will get you excited.